Hello guys, so I've got one quick tip for one way to save all your chives that you just cut. You cut them and then you make sure that you go through and pull all that icky brown dead stuff. Ignore all the tea in the background. I'm just getting ready to can another round of family tea. And then, oop, I got a couple more in here. You just cut them. Make sure you get any brown stuff out. Or anything that's not actually chives. I got some oregano in here. I don't want oregano in my chives. And after you get it all cut up, all we're going to do is throw it into a mason jar and freeze it. And then you can add a little bit of chives to anything as a spice near the end of the cooking process, so that the chives defrost and release their flavor right at the end. So, I'm going to get all this cut up, and then I'll be back, you guys. Now that they're all cut up, all we do is freeze them, just like this. And it'll freeze and be easy to pull out just a little bit at a time. For adding spices. Alright guys, thanks for coming along for this quick, short, impromptu video on how to quickly and easily save your chives. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below letting me know what other kinds of things you'd like to see and what other videos you'd like to see. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one. And remember, stay positive. Bye. Sorry for the bad camera work, you guys. I'm trying to get you in a good enough light. I just did a walk around in my yard and found all those tomatoes. Woohoo!